So as we looked at bringing in robots and automation into the plant, one of the things that we were really concerned about was our availability to have a resource, because robots were new to us.
The service and support system that we offer our customers is really just an open line of communication.
It's helpful for a company like us to be able to call Zach, not a unknown, unnamed customer service tech at a big company, but to be able to call Zach or Thomas and talk about issues or talk about things that we're observing with a piece of automation or a piece of equipment and get right into a solution.
Any issues that we have with the machine, I mean, they're fixed within an hour. We can call, email.
From time to time, we'll reach out to see how the machine is working and see if they're having any issues. Other times, if they're having an issue that needs more urgent address, they'll reach out to us, and depending on their needs, we can either do remote support services if needed.
We also offer a VPN where we can log in and look at the system and make any changes remotely. And that is a very helpful tool in order to get the changes done quickly.
Or if they're more comfortable and want us to be on site, we can travel.
They're available, and when we need them, they're available. They tend to develop solutions and create equipment for us that doesn't need a lot of tending to. But in terms of service, very responsive.
We've also had techs come down and help us through some of our trial and error. Most of the time it was our fault, and they would come down and fix it for us.
And we try to be there as soon as possible. When we have to go out in the field, we try to schedule that as quickly as they need us, and a lot of times it's just if it's a local project, it can be the same day sometimes, or within that week. If it's a farther away project, as soon as we can book our flights.
And so to have a partner like 7robotics that is able to be so open, integrative with us really helps, because we need partners like that can help us understand how to modify products, or modify projects, modify equipment to meet our product quality standards. And that's been, I think, to me, the most important part of the service partnership we have is that we have personality behind a phone number.